Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring FreshBooks, an intuitive accounting tool that makes creating professional invoices a breeze. If you're looking to simplify your billing process, this guide will show you how to get started quickly and efficiently. FreshBooks streamlines invoicing and ensures you get paid faster. Here's how to create an invoice step by step. Log in and navigate to Invoices. After logging into your FreshBooks account, head to the Invoices tab in the main menu. Click on the New Invoice button to start creating your first invoice. Add client details. Enter the recipient's name, email address, and any additional details like their company name or billing address. FreshBooks allows you to save client information for future use, saving you time later. List your services or products. Specify the services or products you're billing for. Include a clear description, quantity, and price for each item. FreshBooks will automatically calculate the subtotal and any applicable taxes. Customize the invoice. Personalize your invoice by adding your business logo, adjusting the color scheme, and including payment terms or notes. A polished, professional design enhances your brand image. Send the invoice. Once everything is set, preview your invoice to ensure accuracy. Then hit send. You can email it directly to your client or download it as a PDF for delivery. FreshBooks also tracks the status of your invoices, so you'll know when they're viewed, paid, or overdue. Start transforming your billing experience with FreshBooks today. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next one.